What is going on, y'all? I hope everybody's having a good day. This week was already starting off great with GBPUSD. I'm gonna give you a quick breakdown on my thought process and how I was able to enter and exit this trade properly. Okay, so for this GBPUSD trade, we were able to clear $1,000 in profit today. I'm going to show you exactly what I was looking at. Starting on the weekly time frame, the first thing that I noticed is that price was constantly coming up to this level. Okay, you guys. Now, as price was coming up to this level, I'm noticing that we weren't going any higher than what we initially came up to. So we came up to this level, pushed really, really hard, flushed, pushed up again and flushed again. Now we came back up to this level some months later, and now we started retracing back down. So being as though that we're not closing above this level, I know that this is a seller's market and I should only be interested in sales. With that being said, coming down to the daily time frame, okay, first thing that I notice is that we have structure. We have a high and we have a low. We have a lower high, lower low, lower high, and just above this red line, which is sitting at 1.36484, that was previous day's highs. We seen that liquidity was grabbed on that day, sitting right here. Notice how this wick outwicks this candle right here, pushes up slightly, and then retraces back down, actually giving us our entry. Now, before I even entered this trade, I wasn't entering off the daily time frame. I was waiting for some type of bearish candle formation or some type of bearish sentiment to further support this bias. So the first thing I noticed is here, coming down right above previous day's highs, we seen that we had an engulfing candle here on the 30-minute time frame. Price comes up, retraces just slightly, and then flushes again. This was just textbook. It was simple. It was perfect in my eyes. I actually could have got a better entry somewhere up here, but I ended up getting price again. My entry ended up actually being about 150 points below, but I was more than enough confident that price will continue to go down. Now, reason for me exiting this trade, okay, not only have I identified that this was an area sitting right here where buyers showed intention. What do I mean? Well, when price left from that area of resistance, it shot up for weeks from this level. Now, once we were coming back to this level, I already had my take profits set up and my stop losses in place. But at the same time, I went down to the hourly time frame and started to notice that price was closing